हेलो गाइस, राम राम वनकम नमस्कारा। तो आज हम जा रहे हैं कब्बन पार्क लोगों से रैंडमली क्वेश्चंस पूछने के लिए और जानने के लिए कि वो किस तरीके का आंसर्स हमको देंगे। उसमें होंगे थोड़े से ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस, थोड़े से होंगे डर्टी माइंड टेस्ट क्वेश्चंस। तो डर्टी माइंड में तो आप सोच ही रहे होगे कि किस तरीके का आंसर्स हमको मिलने वाले हैं। चलो बिना कोई देरी के अभी जाके सीधा बात करते हैं लोगों से।
It's I go in hard but come out soft, and I never mind if you want to blow me. What am I?
ये भगवान क्या जुल्म है।
Think.
Think whatever coming in your mind, you just pick up. That's nothing else. And it's okay. It's okay. No issue. You don't think anything. You know, it's like the questions are like that only. The answer will definitely explain.
No idea.
No idea.
Both.
Yes.
Chewing gum.
Oh.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल।
Okay. The cow will be having 4 of them, but girls will be having only 2.
What is it?
Cow will be having 4. The girls will be having only 2. Veg.
Have you ever gone a day without wearing underwear?
मालूम है ये क्या है? ये चड्डी है। चड्डी।
Never.
Then why were you thinking in start? You were thinking for 2 seconds.
सोच रही थी कि
क्या बोलूं मैं?
By mistake, what if I did that?
मैं नहीं मानता।
वो कौन सा चीज है जो पास होता है तो अंदर डाल के हिलाते हैं, ठीक है? हाँ, पास होता है, अपने पास होता है तो अंदर डाल के हिलाते हैं, अगर नहीं होता है तो उंगली डाल के हिलाते हैं।
तू समझा? हाँ। नहीं, तू समझा नहीं।
Answer it.
You tell. What do you think? Like she's actually, you know, I'm telling you.
क्या बोलूं मैं?
How think करके दे रहे हो? Just whatever it comes to your mind, you just tell.
Toothbrush.
ना.
है? नहीं. What was the question? नहीं है तो.
हाँ. You tell me what is it?
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
Yes, it is toothbrush. See, if we have it,
Yeah.
what we'll do is we'll use it.
हाँ.
We will
Or
brush
else
it,
we'll
or else
use
we'll
a
do it with the
finger.
finger.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है। अरे सर क्या बात है।
Actually nice.
Vaibhavi.
Vaibhavi.
You're mispronouncing her
क्या
name.
बोला?
Vaishnavi.
आप भी ठीक करके देता हूँ।
Sorry, Vaibhavi. Okay,
okay.
nice meeting you actually. That was great. Nice meeting you.
What's your name again?
Amol.
Kashif.
Archita.
Yeah, Archita. Yeah.
Archita, right? Okay, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
nice meeting you guys.
So first question, what is hairy on the outside and soft and wet on the inside? It starts with the letter C and ends with T. You first. I repeat the question. What is the hairy on the outside and soft and wet on the inside? It starts with the letter C and ends with T.
Okay.
What was the answer? No. You? Starts with C and ends with T. Hairy outside, soft and wet inside.
Soft and wet, it's not, no? Carrot will not be, it will be hard only. You're right. You're right. She got it. You're right. She's not dirty, man, actually.
Yeah. Okay, the second question, okay. I go in hard but come out soft, and I never mind if you want to blow me. What am I? I'll go with you first. What? No.
No, balloon
You?
will not be hard.
I go hard but come out soft, and I never mind if you want to blow me. What am I?
It will go in actually. The hint is.
She got the answer, bro. Bubble gum.
What is it?
It's white, sticky, and better to spit than to swallow. What's white, sticky, better to spit than swallow? I'll go with you, bro. Now.
I'm just thinking.
Think. You?
No, just whatever it comes to your
Whatever.
mind, just
White,
spit it out.
sticky,
No issue.
better to spit than to swallow.
Spit it.
Anything. Bro, dark mind. बहुत सोच रहा है बंदा. Anything. What comes to you? What's white, sticky, and better to spit than to swallow? No, you're wrong. Bro, you're silent from so much time.
Saliva has been transfer it now.
What's white, sticky, better to spit than to swallow?
Yeah.
We could take
Boys should get that, yeah. Come on.
Yeah. Everyone use it in our daily life.
toothpaste.
Oh, starts with letter P. boys, starts with letter P and ends with ORN.
वो आगे
I
का मत
play a
बताओ.
major role in film industry. What am I?
Actually thinking, oh, you guys are actually very, decent or innocent. I feel, but this guy, I am actually very,
इसकी गारंटी मैं नहीं दे सकता.
But actually, he is also decent. Okay, so have you ever had a crush on auntie?
Auntie.
Yes. No.
No. Yes.
You're lying. Guys. Seriously?
Yes.
See, he's lying actually. What about you? No. Okay. So have you ever actually trying to, impress someone in a public area? Ah, yes. So how it was actually? Can you tell me?
Like speaking jokes or
Okay. So
Being humorous.
yeah, I think being humorous.
okay.
Singing and all.
Singing. Do you sing?
Yeah, a little bit.
Hey, can you please sing something actually?
Yeah.
No, just two stanzas.
ये भगवान क्या जुल्म
No issue. Like if you're comfortable. Whatever.
Okay.
हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा कर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस बिना मैं तेरा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो.
सुकून का नाम सुना है? हाय हाय, इतना सुकून.
That was really very wonderful. Yeah, it was really very good actually. You sing so good actually. What's your name?
Melvin.
Melvin. Oh, nice, yeah. Actually, he sings very good actually. You guys were knowing about that?
Yeah, he
Okay, how many songs he sang for you guys?
also.
Okay. That's a great, nice. Actually, thank you guys. Actually, nice meeting you all. Actually, I'm a new YouTuber, so I'll be asking some random question to you all. Okay, so I want you to give the honest answer, whatever it comes to your mind first. Okay, don't think much. Just give the answer in seconds. Okay, it should be in 2 or 3 seconds. Not more than that. Okay, will that be fine? Okay, that's great.
देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
So the first question is, what would you do if you'll be invisible for a day?
I'll try to kill my CEO.
गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर. चप्पल छूट गया. हम फर्स्ट. स्टार्ट. हम फर्स्ट. गाड़ी चला.
That is a great. Actually, that is my plan, bro. It is last moment. I'm telling you. I am telling you that is the honest answer. Actually, even I am trouble. My manager is troubling me a lot, and I'm actually thinking the same thing. Okay? That is the reason I made this question. Actually, that is great.
I'll rob a bank. I don't need to kill a
150 रुपया देगा.
Okay, you'll rob a bank for what?
and I'll get the money, no? I don't need to work.
Okay,
I
what
don't
about
need
the?
Don't know.
Don't know.
Maybe whatever come to my mind at that time. Depends.
Okay, depends on the situation. Okay,
Yeah.
तुमको क्या करना है उसी टाइम पे डिसाइड करेंगे और
उसी
करना है.
टाइम पे डिसाइड करेंगे.
Okay, बाद में देखा जाएगा
बाद
जब
में
हो
देखा
जाएगा.
हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है.
I will sleep whole the day.
You sleep?
Whole the day.
Hey, you can sleep now also.
No,
issue.
everyone is disturbing.
Who is disturbing you here right now?
My roommate itself.
Who are you? Your roommates are here. How many of your roommates? Is your roommate? Okay, why do you like trouble you like you'll not
He
let
will
us sleep?
tell, we will go this way, that way, we will go there, we will have food, like that he will tell.
Okay, he is a roaming person and you are
Ah.
actually. Okay, that is great. Okay, thank you. Okay, what's your name? Adesh. Okay, Adesh, why do you trouble him?
नहीं, मुझे मजाक नहीं उड़वाना अपनी चीज का, मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
Why you trouble your roommate actually?
It's his thoughts actually.
It is his thoughts. Okay, you're not doing it, but he is thinking about everything. Okay. Okay. So what do you think? Like, what you will be doing? Like, if you're invisible for a day,
Just rob a bank. That's all.
you will rob a bank with her. You can join her actually. Not an issue.
राम के पिल्ले तू है कौन?
Okay.
I'll go to the stock exchange and try to manipulate the prices so that I can buy them later.
Oh, Arshad Mehta.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है, बहुत तेज हो रहा साल।
Hey, that is a nice idea actually. So what is the best thing of being a boy? Okay, and what is the worst thing actually being a boy?
Best thing is you
Idhar se
can
le.
roam whole night, no one will question.
Uh-huh.
And worst thing is everyone will trouble you.
As
Like in relationship, if you did anything, boys is fault. And in home also, you are not doing anything, boys fault.
Okay, so this is actually right. जो भी होता है भाई हमको पेनलाइज किया जाता है. That is what. भाई कुछ भी करो, बंदा ही है, बंदा ही गलत है. बंदा ही गलत है.
हमारा
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ
बिल्कुल सही।
Oh, that is great.
Worst thing is responsibilities. I would say. Yeah. Good thing is so many good things. You can roam. You can do whatever you want. Because, like at the end, you will be the decision maker.
Okay.
Yeah. But at the end, also that thing will again come back to you. Because since you are the decision maker, you will have all the responsibilities.
Exactly. Since responsibility always stop you to go around, like roam around, and definitely since
Whatever you think, whatever you want to do, at some point there will be
it will
some
be restricted.
stuff that will come continuously that you will have to again like think twice, thrice before doing anything.
Okay, that is
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
great. Thank you.
A good thing would be we have more freedom. The bad thing would be we are not girls.
Okay. So can you just explain me about that? Like why
Let's
you
not get into the details, but I say it is easier for a girl to date than a boy.
Okay. So what is the experience actually? Because you're telling this.
My experience is
मारो हमको जिंदा मत छोड़ो सालो। हम कोई मंदिर का घंटा है कि कोई भी आके बजा जाता है।
Unclassified. I don't know. It's a classified data.
Okay, that is great. Okay, so you're telling that the girls will be able to like get boys or like like if they want
it's
to date
easier
anyone.
for them to date, but
Exactly.
not as easy for us.
Easy for boys. Okay, that is nice. That is a honest thing though.
Skip.
सहलेंगे थोड़ा सा
A woman, like what is the worst thing and what are the good things being a woman?
So if you say about the equality part, that really depends upon who are the people around you. If the people around you treat you that way, you don't feel that.
Okay.
So there are people like my brother, or he's also my brother. They treat me very well. So I never feel it like you're not being treated equally or something. But it really depends upon the people around you. But yeah, bad thing would be again this not the things that said freedom.
Okay.
But the good thing is also same. What they said is when there are responsibilities in functions or something, like there is some function in the house, so they'll not let you do anything. अरे लड़के हैं ना, they'll do.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप
Chill. So that's a plus point for us. They're like, you chill, we'll do it. Even if friends, like,
Exactly.
you stay, we'll do it.
Okay.
It's like that.
So they are the one who will be taking
There is
the
another reason
responsibility.
also they spoil it. When they
Oh
do it.
my god! No. We handle it better. They don't want us to do that.
I'm just joking.
अरे देवा ये गड़बड़ है
Okay, that is a good answer. Okay, okay, no issue, fine. So, what you will choose? Okay, being beautiful and dumb, or being ugly and clever?
Ugly and clever, beautiful and dumb.
Yeah.
Okay. Very tough one. Okay.
You're
I'll choose
thinking much.
beautiful and dumb because I'm not dumb. I'll see how it is to be dumb.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are telling that you are clever, so that is the reason. Okay, that is
I'll try
great.
that.
So what about you? Okay, what you guys are hiding? No issue. Fine. Okay. So if you'll become a girl for a day, what you will do? The first thing.
ये फंस गया सीएम
I will investigate the whole body.
Hey, that is a honest answer actually. We actually don't get it. That's great. How, like, okay, so you'll investigate how the body is, right?
That's all. No explanation.
देखो देखो दरिंदगी चेहरे से टपकती है। नंबर 1 का कमीना है। छी आंखें देखो, नीयत में खोट साफ नजर आता है, हवस से भरी हुई।
Okay, thank you so much.
Same.
There's no same answer actually. No copy paste.
What more you can do? Everything we are doing same only, right? What
Okay.
is the only difference thing?
Okay, that is great. Thank you. So what about you?
I'll maybe act as a lesbian and go out with a girl.
औरत बनने का शौक है औरत बनने का शौक है
For a girl. No, those who go to bed, okay?
It will be unique, right?
Yeah, that's a unique. Yes.
I am happiest boy.
What happened?
I'm happiest boy. It's going on. It's good going.
चल रहा है. बाकी सब ठीक है. Okay, that's great. Okay, so tell me.
I'll try to be an activist for men's rights. I'll change the law in favor of boys.
Okay, in favor of boys. Okay, that is great. So, okay, the question goes to you. So, if boy for a day, what you will do?
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से
I would want to explore those shady places which I'm not able to go being a girl. I feel people will judge me. People won't judge boys that much. I can go anywhere. I'll try to explore those shady places.
Shady
Shady
places.
bars, shady halls.
दारू का
Everything.
अड्डा.
I'll try.
दारू का
दारू नहीं रे बाबा दवाई है
देखा. That is what you want to say.
Everything I want to explore.
ऐसा बोलो boys restroom.
What was that?
Boys restroom. Boys restroom.
Okay.
That is the biggest shady place.
तो उससे मेरा क्या फायदा मुझे क्या मिल रहा है मुझे क्या दे रहा है
Next questions. First question.
That side.
No, I'll start with you. I was recording you from so much time, okay?
Every time they're coming from this
No,
side.
I'll go with you first.
No, from that side. Right.
At least you think, okay? Think for the answers. Bro, first question. What is hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the inside?
Oh, I know.
Don't answer then.
मैं तुम्हारे बाप का नौकर नहीं हूँ
What is hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the outside, inside? I'll repeat the question once again, okay? What is hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the inside? What's your answer?
I don't know
Whatever comes in your mind is
Anything.
No issue.
I'll give you the hint.
No.
No hint, right? Okay.
I know.
No, don't ask her.
I won't ask you then.
Ask her at the last.
Yeah, that's what I'll ask her in the last.
yeah that's good I don't know
Okay. What's your answer?
it's kiwi
No.
kiwi record here kiwi has a lot of hair
Okay. You?
If kiwi not, I think coconut.
Okay, you?
Coconut.
Bro, this all got the answer apart from this tree.
Yes, that's what
Answer is same. Coconut. Okay, so
telling the answer?
I will tell it. So that is the reason actually I'm here. So guys, this is like, I'm telling you, I'll just give the very brief, okay? So it is hard. कौन सा क्वेश्चन था वो? Second वाला, okay. It is going in hard, okay? It is going in hard and coming out soft. If you, it doesn't mind, okay? If you'll blow it also, that's fine. So what it should be? If you're blowing it, ice cream you won't blow, yaar. Come on, how will blow it? So what do you think, bro?
Thinking still. Under process. AI slow. Wait.
No idea.
You can blow that as well, come on.
No.
it's not a balloon for sure
Close to balloon also you can tell, no issue.
close to balloon
It is close to balloon. Hint, it is very close to balloon.
We can only think about it.
No.
balloon only that's the word
Balloon, okay, balloon we can't eat that, no? I mean, some people eat it, some people don't.
yeah but what else can it be
I'm expecting something out of you right now.
He already told.
I can't think of anything else
Okay, what do you think? Whatever comes to your mind.
Nothing.
After
I
asking
was
the
just
question.
thinking about a balloon when you said blow, but if that is not the one, I can't. But it's not hard, so
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay. You are married, bro. Come on, please you should answer me. Okay, it is a chewing gum. When you will eat it, it will be hard. When you are chewing it, it will be soft. You can blow it as well. Isn't it? Exactly. It is near to balloon also because we can blow it. Okay.
these are hard to answer in 3 seconds
Okay. When I go in, I can cause some pain Okay, I'll fill your holes when you ask me. Okay, ask me to do it. I also ask you to spit, not to swallow. What am I?
बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है, रिपीट.
Okay, again, no issue. When I go in, I can cause some pain. Okay, I will fill your holes when you ask me to do. Okay, I also ask you to spit, not to swallow.
No idea.
Injection.
Okay, whatever comes in your mind, first you tell me.
Injection.
Injection. Okay,
How will you split
but
an
how will you
injection?
split it? You can't spit it.
Can't think of anything. Now I'm thinking of a chewing gum.
Chewing gum? What do you think actually?
What do we eat? Spit, oh my god.
तुम्हें शर्म है कुछ शर्म आया है?
You can't eat actually.
You can spit it.
You can just spit it. You should not swallow that. I recommend you to not to swallow.
Brush or something?
No, brush. How will you spit it? It should be in your mouth actually.
I am brushing now, so
Okay.
It's not the.
It is a person. Hi, you are close actually. It is. I'm a person who is doing it. I'm asking you to not to do it. So who will be? Okay. There's one more hint actually. Doctor.
Dentist.
Dentist. Dentist will always, fill your teeth holes. They will cause you pain while doing the treatment, right? They'll give you some gum. They will not ask you to swallow. They'll ask you to spit it, right? Yeah.
क्या बात है सर? क्या बात है सर? क्या बात? ये बात है. अरे सर क्या बात?
said I'm a person.
Exactly.
We completely
Ignore
ignored
that part.
Okay. So tell me one thing. Cow will be having 4, okay? 4 or 6, I don't know. 4. But girls will be having only 2. What it is?
Legs.
Legs?
Yes.
Are you sure? Only legs?
Yeah.
Everybody likes? This is a very common question, right? Yeah. Okay, everybody knows it. That's great. Okay, here's one tricky one. Okay, what is white? Guys, listen to this. This is very careful. What is white and sticky? Better to spit, not to swallow. White and sticky.
White net.
Okay. बस sticky नहीं होता है ना white में.
Stick हो जाता है ना.
Okay, that is good. Fine.
I think toothpaste.
Okay, toothpaste. It's okay.
Your own spit.
You have to
Should not
spit.
swallow, right? It's not good.
Not good. Chewing gum.
Again chewing gum. No, not again chewing gum. Again something else. No, can't think of.
This is different than chewing gum.
Different than chewing gum. No, I can't think of it.
Okay, whatever comes in your mind in a second, just tell me. Whatever it is, just give the answer. Just an answer. Answer. A word. Word.
अरे कौन भौंक रहा है ये
Word. Come on.
What is white and sticky? Oh my god.
Whatever comes in your mind. Come on, something is coming in your mind right now. Tell me. No issue.
Literally, I'm blank.
Okay, no issue.
Nothing in my mind. I would have said.
No, I guess like chewing gum. That's all. I don't know.
Chewing gum again.
Are you saying Fevicol?
Toothpaste. Okay, toothpaste is the right answer.
Which one?
Toothpaste. Great. Okay, guys. I don't know how many of you guys are watching this or not, but okay. It starts with the letter P and ends with O-R-N. Okay, it starts with a letter P, ends with O-R-N, and it plays a major role in film industries. What it is? Last.
Then I have something.
Dark industry also you can say. No issue.
Nothing like that. I am thinking of that.
Starts with P.
I know the answer.
I know.
Ends with O-R-N.
No idea.
उन्होंने इतना बड़ा हिंट दे दिया है यार.
हाँ वो हिंट में ही सब कुछ है.
Like
It's popcorn.
Yeah.
Popcorn.
Said that.
Industry also. Exactly. More questions. Are you guys comfortable with Hindi?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Way more than English.
Oh, is it? Okay. Okay. वो कौन सी चीज है जिसके चारों तरफ बाल होते हैं, ठीक है, और बीच में एक दरार.
Darar means?
दरार मीन्स क्रैक.
Okay.
ओके. हिंदी नहीं आती क्या?
अबे साले.
Okay. ओके सो वो कौन सी चीज है जिसमें चारों तरफ बाल होते हैं और बीच में दरार, उसमें पहली बार पति डालता है और बाद में औरत, बार बार, नॉट फॉर मैरिड. I understood what you're thinking of.
No idea.
Oh, okay, your smile itself is showing actually, telling that.
Blanked out.
Okay.
Bengals?
Bangles.
No.
How do you put it in a darar?
Not that.
Okay.
They have the crack,
See,
but
दरार में क्या डाल सकते
there
हो?
is
No idea.
Doctor fix.
I'll not answer.
Ah, you need to. Okay, come on.
But I want to think of the खुद भी कर सकते हो ना बाद में बार बार.
तू किन पको बैठ रहा
वो पको थी.
What do you think? This time. Okay, Sindur is the right answer. Boys and girls, वो कौन सा चीज है जो पास होता है तो उसी के साथ हिलाते हैं, अगर नहीं होता है तो उंगली डाल के हिलाते हैं.
मेरे तरफ माइक
ये भगवान क्या जुल्म.
क्यों पहले?
ओके माइक किधर नहीं है भाई, कौन बात कर रहा है उसी की तरफ. वो बोला मैंने पहले मैं क्यों भाई.
डब्बे में घी.
डब्बे में घी. ओके फाइन, नो इशू.
रिपीट द क्वेश्चन.
ओके, अगर अपने पास होता है तो हम उसी से हिलाते हैं, ठीक है. अगर नहीं होता है तो उंगली से हिलाते हैं.
क्या बकवास है भाई.
Like a spoon or something?
No.
Well, yeah, spoon
Spoon
makes
has
sense,
to-
right?
yeah,
Spoon
no.
has
Spoon,
to-
I think so.
No, but दूर है तो हाथ से कैसे करोगे?
नहीं. पास है, if
स्पून से क्या हिलाओगे भाई.
like वो है तो you'll use the spoon. Otherwise
बट हिलाना इम्पोर्टेंट है.
अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे.
हिलाना इम्पोर्टेंट है.
डब्बे में घी.
डब्बे हिला के क्या करोगे. अरे रे नहीं रे.
कैसे कैसे?
चावल में क्या?
सिरप.
No. Blank out. Whatever comes to your mind, tell me.
So that's what I
भाई यार, जो होता है तो हिलाएंगे, नहीं होता है तो उंगली. भाई क्या है, इतना इजी क्वेश्चन है.
पानी.
ये आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड क्वेश्चन था. ओके सो इट इज अ टूथब्रश. अगर होता है तो हम ब्रश उसी से हिला के करेंगे, नहीं होता है तो उंगली से करता है.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता तो हम करते ही नहीं.
अरे बाप रे, ये तो धोती खोल रहा है.
इज द लास्ट आंसर.
इसलिए सोचा ही नहीं.
तो इस तरीके से हम लोगों से हंसी खेल के बात करके निकल पड़ रहे हैं हम लोग. तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन टू गेट द नोटिफिकेशन. थैंक यू सो मच. टाटा बाय बाय.